Hi, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to a new video in my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna try to recreate a photo I really loved and adored, so I thought maybe we can create it together. This was my inspiration, but I didn't want to copy it, so instead I recreated the vibes on my own way and within my budget. I thought arranging the flowers would be quick and simple, but it actually took much longer to get them right. My idea was to make the products look as if they were emerging through the plant, while still keeping the logo visible and clear. For lighting, I placed a speed light on the left side of the products, slightly angled toward the scene. On the opposite side, I added a gold reflector to bounce the flash back and create a warm tone. To make sure the logo was well lit, I used a softbox and positioned it close to the product. Finally, I added a warm light bulb at the back to illuminate the whole scene and enhance the overall mood. I also used a color gel on the flash to intensify that cozy vibe in the photos. I positioned the camera directly in front of the products and slightly lower than their level to give them a strong presence and make them appear bigger and more powerful. This was the very first shot straight out of the camera, and as you can see it came out very red. It's because of the gel. To fix it, I adjusted the light intensity to make it brighter, and I moved the backlight closer to the product. Here is the result after those changes. For the second photo, I focused only on the perfume bottle and I rearranged the plants slightly to complement the products. The lighting and camera setup remained the same. The backlight accidentally fell and broke. Anyway, here is the result before and after retouching. For photo number 3, I focused on the cream alone and I kept the setup as simple as possible. I just used few plants on each side and experimented with lighting. Instead of fixing the gel on the flash, I held it slightly away to create a gradient background. I took one shot like that and another with bare flash, and in the end I chose the bare version. In post-production, I merged it with a sky background to achieve that soft light blue tone, giving the final photo a fresh and pleasing look. For the last photo, I positioned the perfume bottle slightly turned to the left instead of facing the camera directly. I lit it with bare flash placed on the right side, and I swapped the background for this beautiful color that, to me, pairs perfectly with gold rose tones. The result was simple, elegant shot, free of props, and I loved the minimal, clean feel it created. This photo session went smoothly, both in the session and in post-production. I started with a photo I found on Pinterest as my inspiration, and it gave me the direction I needed to know where and how to start. Sometimes all it takes is seeing something that you love that sparks that creative energy. I hope this video was helpful and showed you that you can create beautiful product photos with just what you have, and most importantly is to enjoy the process. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.